You're searching for real estate video ideas, you've come to the right place. These are the 5 videos you should be making every single week that's going to attract in clients like clockwork and position yourself as the real estate expert in your community. My name is Nick Good and welcome back to the Real Estate Goods channel. Hopefully, and most likely, you are a real estate agent or you're thinking about becoming one and you're searching for real estate video ideas that's going to attract clients in without having to buy and burn cash on online leads or make that dreaded cold call. No one wants to be that telemarketer, right, and annoy people. So we've got a proven strategy with these 5 videos that I'm going to share with you that have been bringing in clients like clockwork for us for years. And if you stick around, I'll share with you a strategy that's been helping us keep our Facebook videos highly engaged for years. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe and notification bell down below and leave a comment of what's holding you back right now from incorporating video in your business today, right? So let's get started. Number 1 are community videos, right? So if you're wanting to build brand awareness quickly, this is the best video to be making. It's super cheap, it's super easy, and it's highly effective. Right? So you can go and start highlighting events around your neighborhood. You can go and highlight schools and local businesses, right? This allows you to become that go-to expert, real estate expert in your community, right? At a virtually zero to little cost to you. This is what we call today the new modern day farming. Farming would be picking a neighborhood out and sending mailers, direct mail, postcards, snail mail, whatever you want to call it, which would be, very, very expensive and takes a long time to see a positive ROI. So in these community videos, these are very little cost and you get to highlight everything going on in your community. Number 2, right? Market video updates, right? These are great to highlight. These videos are great to highlight how fast homes are selling for in a particular area or zip code, or how much homes are selling for, right? This is a great way to quickly position yourself as that real estate expert in the area. Number 3, this is a great one. This is one of my favorite. Interview local professionals. One of my favorite is interviewing our mortgage professional. We're talking about where interest rates are. Maybe he's got a great loan product. I know that one of our lenders has a doctors only program that we like to highlight. That's 100% financing for doctors. So this is a great way to share your vendors as well as having another touch point to your database that you can email out when you do these live interviews. You can interview not just your lender, but you can interview your insurance company. You can interview your home inspector and talk about why it's important to get a home inspection and what home inspectors are looking for when they actually inspect a house. Or another great one is if you're buying a new construction home, should you get a home inspection, right? So you'll definitely want to do those and share that out, and it creates more weekly conversations going on. Number 4 is educational videos. Right? So every week create an educational video. I like to go to Keeping Current Matters, so it's keepingcurrentmatters.com, and pick from what's going on in the real estate blog idea. These are free resources that Keeping Current Matters gives out to real estate professionals like ourselves that you can go and choose whatever topic that you want to choose that week. So for example, I did one back a couple weeks ago, most recently, why this real estate market is not going to crash compared to the 2008 real estate market, right? How the 2008 market and today's market are completely different. And that was all because of the Keeping Current Matters article and information. Number 5 is weekly Q&As. These are huge, right? They can be quick, they can be super simple and super easy. All you need to do, ask your friends, ask your family, ask people in your community, your church, whatever that may be, on social media. Do a social media poll. What questions do they have about the home buying and home selling process? Take all those questions and answer one of those a week. Put that on Facebook, put that on Instagram, and then email that out to your database. If you make these 5 videos every single week, just like clockwork, right? You send that out, you put that on Instagram, you put that on social media, you will be attracting in clients like clockwork. They will be coming in droves. In fact, we have a we've got an agent that started just this year that in her first 90 days sold almost $6 million of real estate, all because of videos just like this, right? And it does work. So the last strategy here, right? I said, if you watch to the very end, this last strategy here of keeping your Facebook videos highly engaged years after you made that video, by the way, all you need to do is go back to the video and you comment, you like, or make a post on there, right? What that will do is that will bring and reactivate that video and put it back into your friend's feed. It will put it back in your friends of friends feed, right? And it will bring it back to life, and it will stay in front of those people that have already watched the video. We have videos from 2 years ago announcing when we made the move from Keller Williams to eXp Realty. We have almost 15,000 views on there. And all I do is every couple of months, I go back in, make a comment, like a comment, or reply back to a comment, and it re-engages and reactivates it. And we get a couple more hundred views, and we get people that reach out, right? So you can do that with all your videos on Facebook as well as on Instagram, and continue to share that out. So hopefully that was helpful. If this is your first time watching, please go ahead, hit that subscribe and notification bell down below, leave a comment. And if you would like to know how we are utilizing this with our 5 social media posts that will bring in free leads, go ahead and schedule a Pick My Brain strategy call session, the link's down below, of how we're combining these videos and the 5 social media posts that will bring in free leads every single week. Go ahead and hit that strategy session called Pick My Brain right now. All right, I'll see you on the next video.